Hello and good morning, students. I hope that the text we read in the previous video we discussed is all clear to you. So, we came to know how Hannah reacted when she saw a messenger in the uniform. She thought definitely that this messenger had come to arrest Sadao, and she connected this thing with the servants going out on the same day. But this was not so. Sadao was called for general who was in pain. So Sadao goes to see the general. Now it is completely the scene change of the chapter. Earlier it was of Sadao's house, and now Sadao goes to see the general. And let me clear it to you that Sadao has told each and everything to the general about the enemy. The next part is after that conversation between Sadao and general. How did general react and what was his action? This is to be seen now. Of course, the general said weakly, I understand fully, but that's because I once took a degree in Princeton, so few Japanese have. When Sadao told him that he had to save that person because of his duty, at this point, General said very weakly because he was not well, he was unwell. He said, of course, I understand your duty, but that is because I am highly educated. I took a degree in Princeton, so few Japanese have. Few means nothing, negative means no Japanese have has that degree. I have, so I can understand you better. He further said, I care nothing for the man, Excellency, Sadao said, but having operated on him with such success, and then half sentence. Sadao said, Ki, I don't care for that person. I cannot hand him over to the police. It doesn't mean I care for him. I cannot hand him over to the police because I have operated on him with such success. So the police will definitely doubt that if I have saved this person's life who was already dying, it could be for my sake. That is the reason he was not able to hand him over to police. Yes, the general said, it only makes me feel you more indispensable to me, indispensable which cannot be separated. As soon as Sadao told that I have saved his life, General, who said that is the reason I can't bear or I cannot afford you to get separated from me. Evidently, you can save anyone. You are so skilled. General, see the reaction. He is praising Sadao. Instead of getting angry on Sadao, he is praising him and his skills. You say you think I can stand one more such attack as I have had today? So now General is talking about his own health. That Sadao, you have said that I will be only able to stand for one such attack. Not more than one, Sadao said. So Sadao said, your body can only stand for one more attack, that's it. Next is very important line. Then certainly I can allow nothing to happen to you, the general said with anxiety. The general said with worry, if this is so, then I cannot allow anything happen to you because I cannot stand more than one attack, so I cannot get anything done with you. So now you can see clearly the selfishness of the general. To save his life, he was ready to save Sadao, who was a traitor, who had helped an enemy. The general, the army general, who has the responsibility of saving the nation and protecting the nation. He knows that there is enemy in the nation, but still he is favoring Sadao because Sadao could be for some help to general. So you can see how selfish he was. His long, pale Japanese face became expressionless. This is for general, which meant that he was in deep thought. So general was thinking something. You cannot be arrested, the general said, closing his eyes. Thinking about his own health, he thought that no, I cannot uh, bear this man to be dead, or I cannot ask for this person's arrest because he is the only one who can save my life. So he said, no, you cannot be arrested. Suppose you were condemned to death and the next day I had to have my operation? Again, he is thinking for himself. He is not thinking for Sadao. He is not thinking for nation. He says, Sadao, if you are condemned to death, suppose you are given the death punishment, and the next day I had to have operation. Then who will do my operation? I will die. He doesn't trust any other doctor than Sedao. So he is saving Sedao not because Sedao had always saved him, but because he was thinking of his own health. There are other surgeons, Excellency, Sedao suggested. So Sedao himself said, Sir, don't worry, there are many other surgeons. None I trust, the general replied. He said, No, I don't trust anyone. The best ones have been trained by Germans and would consider the operation successful even if I died. So, German trained doctors means very practical doctors who just care for the organ for which they are working on. The organ of which they are operating on, they would be considering their operation successful even if the person is dead. If they have saved the organ, then they will be considering it as a success. I do not care for their point of view, he sighed to have a deep breath. It seems a pity that we cannot better combine the German ruthlessness with the American sentimentality. This is a very important question for 2 marks. What does the general mean by combining German ruthlessness? Ruthlessness means cruelty, cruelness, cruel behavior, and American sentimentality. Then you could turn your prisoner over to execution, and yet I could be sure you would not murder me while I was unconscious. He said that if you can combine the ruthlessness and the sentimentality in you, then I'm sure that you will be ruthless for the enemy and you will be sentimental for me. But it is not possible. A person who is ruthless will be ruthless for everyone. A doctor who is emotional will be emotional for everyone. To change nature as per the needs or the person who is in front of you is not possible. We have a permanent nature for everyone. The general laughed. He had an unusual sense of humor. Sadao was so serious, but he was laughing. As a Japanese, could you not combine these two foreign elements? He asked. General said, as a Japanese, please try to combine these two elements, German ruthlessness and American sentimentality. He actually wants to say that being ruthless like Germans kill your patient, that is enemy, and being American type sentimental save your patient, that is me. Sadao smiled and he said, I'm not quite sure that I will be able to do it or not, but for your sake I would be willing to try, Excellency. He said, okay, I'll be giving it a try. I'll be trying to be ruthless with enemy and will be trying to be sentimental with you. At this point the general shook his head. I had rather not be the test case, he said. He said, I don't want to be a test case because test cases are likely to fail. ज़्यादा chances होते हैं उनके fail होने के. He felt suddenly weak and overwhelmed, over emotional, with the cares of his life as an official in times such as these when repeated victory brought great responsibilities all over the South Pacific. Now he remembers how he was given care, he was given good doctors and a team every time whenever he was in trouble. But now, because he is old and he is retired, so nobody is paying any attention to. He himself has to do something for him. It is very unfortunate that this man should have washed up on your doorstep, he said irritably. So he got somewhere irritated because he was not able to come to any solution how to save Sedao. So he got irritated and he said, why this person has come to your door only? Why has he not gone to anyone else's door? See, he doesn't have any problem that enemy is there in his nation. He has a problem that why this man has come to Sedao's doorstep and now I am in trouble because I need Sedao. Again, selfishness. I feel it so myself, Sedao said gently. Sedao said also that I also feel the same. Why this man has come to my doorstep? It would be best if he could be quietly killed, the general said. Now the general comes to a solution. He says, it would be best that he should be quietly killed, means nobody should be informed about him. Not by you, you should not kill him, but by someone who doesn't know him. I have my private assassins, see, murderers. He has his own private murderers. Suppose I send 2 of them to your house tonight, or better any night. You need know nothing about it. He says, I'll be sending my two murderers to your house tonight or any night. He doesn't tell surely which night it would be. It is now warm. What would be more natural than that? You should leave the outer partition of the white man's room open to the garden while he sleeps. General suggested Sedao that the person who sleeps there in the room, his partition should be open in the garden so that it is easy for the murderers to enter, because the partition would not be locked and the murderers could be easily entered. Certainly, it would be very natural, Sadao agreed. In fact, it is so left open every night. The partition is usually open every night, so yes, it would be natural. Sadao is also getting agreed because he doesn't have any option now. Good, the general said, yawning. See, yawning. It means the general was careless, general was getting bored, or general thought that now the solution is there, and he got so easy that he started yawning. If a person is in a very tough situation, it is not possible for him to have that yawning, but he was yawning. He said they are very capable assassins, they make no noise, and they know the trick of inward bleeding. Means no bleeding will be there outside. They will uh, get him inward bleeding and he will die. If you like, I can even have them remove the body. He said, I'll ask my murderers to remove the body as well. Sadao considered that perhaps would be best, Excellency. He agreed, thinking of Hana. He agreed, but in his mind, there was only Hana's face who was very terrified. Because he could not agree as a person. But because Hana was so distressed and now he did not have any option, so he agreed. He left the general's presence then and went home, thinking over the plan. In this way, the whole thing would be taken out of his hands. He would tell Hana nothing, since she would be timid, fearful at the idea of assassins. She would be afraid that assassins would be there in the house. And yet, certainly, such persons were essential, necessary in an absolute state such as Japan was. Now he is thinking that if general is having his private murderers, it is necessary. How else could rulers deal with those who opposed them? Because these kind of countries, the rulers kill the persons who oppose them. This is their policy of rule. So that is the reason they are having their private murderers. And now the new word for the day,
taciturn.
Taciturn. Okay.
Taciturn.
Taciturn. It's an adjective. Meaning is inclined to silence or reserved in speech. Or you can say reluctant to join in conversation. The one who doesn't want to join any conversation. So write this word in your dictionary and do not forget to maintain your dictionary. Have a good day.